I'm excited to present you all a rare opportunity for you to be able to purchase your own 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo in 1615 Meridian Avenue in Miami Beach, Florida. Literally 20 feet away from Lincoln Road. Beautiful boutique building. It has about 652 square feet under AC with washer and dryer in the building. And the best part is you get your own private fenced parking spot. This property is going to be listed for $285,000, which is going to be the best price for any 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom in all of this area of Miami Beach. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, all you got to do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 to schedule your private tour today. Without any more delays, let's go check out the inside. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. Follow me.